In today's video, I'm going to teach you to invert video colors on CapCut Mobile. By the end, you'll have that dramatic negative look on your footage using simple tools built right into the app, plus a quick tweak to keep it from looking overly harsh. Start by opening your CapCut app. From the home screen, create a new project and import the video you want to edit. If your camera roll shows multiple clips, choose the one you want to invert and confirm so it lands on the timeline. Give it a moment to load completely. Waiting for the playhead to move smoothly helps prevent lag while you edit. Next, we'll head into the color controls. Tap Adjust, then look for Graph. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Curves. You'll see a diagonal line running from the bottom left to the top right. This line maps brightness across the image, shadows on the left, highlights on the right. With the default diagonal going upward, dark areas remain dark and bright areas remain bright. To create the inversion, we're going to flip that relationship. In the graph, drag the point in the bottom left corner straight up to the top left corner. Then drag the point in the top right corner down to the bottom right corner. You should now see the line sloping downward from left to right. That single move tells CapCut to swap darks and lights across the entire image, giving you a true negative effect. Keep the line clean and straight for an even result. If you accidentally drop extra points, tap Undo or Reset and try again. Also make sure you're adjusting the overall graph and not a single color channel unless that's exactly what you want. Now that the colors are inverted, let's tame the intensity. Still within Adjust, find Saturation and set it to -50. Inverted footage can sometimes push colors into a neon radioactive zone, especially with skin tones or bright signage. Reducing saturation helps smooth that out without losing the negative effect. If your clip is already muted or quite dark, feel free to nudge slightly above or below -50 to suit your taste, but -50 is a reliable starting point. Play back your clip to check the result. If highlights feel too punchy or the image looks uneven, revisit the graph, confirm that your diagonal is straight and make sure the endpoints are anchored firmly in the corners. Small tweaks go a long way, so take a moment to fine-tune until it looks balanced. And that's it. You opened CapCut, created a new project and imported your video, inverted the image using